Hello there, it's Diorama Don here once more. Welcome everybody. This is a diorama of a tram street scene that I made some weeks ago. If you look in my list of videos, I made a separate video on how I made the tram. It's made entirely from 2mm cardboard. I think maybe I used a thinner card on the front there to get the bend there, but it's all cardboard and barbecue sticks. That's it. Barbecue sticks, toothpicks, and 2mm cardboard. So if you're interested, please look at the video and you will see how I went about making it. I then made a video of the street scene. It wasn't quite like this. I've altered it a little bit, but basically that was the street scene that I made. And again, if you watch the video, then you will see how I made it. But it's the back building that I'm more concerned about. I had a couple of comments asking how I went about making the back municipal-looking building. So I'll just show you again, 2mm cardboard, that's all, and then mark out where you want the arches or the arched windows to be, or whatever design you want really. I've just done a cross section of it, not all of it, and then cut those out, then put another piece another piece of 2mm card underneath, and then mark round onto that card where you've just cut these inserts out. Then with the same compass centre point, then making it slightly bigger than these arches, then you can make the surrounding arch also with these features, shall we say, so that when you put them back to back, you've got the three-dimensional effect, if you like, even with the windows being slightly bigger than you originally cut. So you've got the 2mm at the back there, then another 2mm on the front, and then again with the window frame at the back, so that will make it 6mm deep, and then with these features on the front there and there, that will make it 8mm deep. So it will make it look quite well. It will give the depth. Am I explaining that right? It will give a good depth to the building when it's all painted up, so it will look like that kind of thing. Okay, so I have changed the premise of the diorama and called it the Battle of Berlin, where trams were used quite a lot for barricades and what have you. But this is a bombed out street scene now. All I've done was gouge out the polystyrene. That's all this is, polystyrene, cardboard on top of polystyrene, and just spattered, dropped, covered, sprinkled, that's the word I'm looking for, sprinkled dried wall tile grout. Oh my goodness me, can't get the words out. Sprinkled dried tile grout, grey and red colour, which will give the impression of broken masonry. Oh gosh, I hope you've got all that. And then with some black spray paint, just go over it just to darken it down, and part of the building there as well. And I've just pushed a few of the windows out to show that they've been bombed out. So anyway, this is my version of the Battle of Berlin diorama. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. In the meantime, please subscribe to the channel click that like button, click the like button and comment if you would like to. In the meantime, I will be making further videos, similar subjects, and until then, I'll see you in the next video. And if you have a go yourself, then I wish you happy modelling.